We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Today in this lecture I will teach you about the Stadia fixed hair method. Case 2. Case 1 we have already seen in our last lectures. That was when line of sight is horizontal and staff held vertical. Here what is case 2? When the line of sight is inclined and staff held vertical. Okay. The same procedure, our terrain, this is our terrain, and we are keeping our instrument station at a P. This is the height of instrument, and this is our axis of the instrument. Okay, this point where we are keeping our staff. Okay, and first in that one also, first we have to consider the elevation angle theta. Okay, this is the elevation, that is we are looking upward. Okay, and this is the line of sight. Okay, and this is having Stadia method is having 3 readings, that is the upper hair reading, middle hair reading, and the lower hair reading. The difference between the upper and the lower reading is the staff intercept. What is vertical distance V? V means the distance from vertical distance from the line of axis to the middle hair, and from the distance from the middle hair to the terrain, that is h. Okay, small h. Hope you are clear with the drawing. And one more thing, this theta angle means from this axis of instrument to the middle hair angle. Okay, first we have to find out the horizontal distance formula. These are all the descriptions about this drawing. Okay, now I am not going to the derivation part in detail. You can just equate the triangles and you can come with the equations last, that is horizontal distance D is equal to AS cos square theta plus B cos theta, and vertical distance V is equal to AS sin 2 theta by 2 plus B sin theta. Okay, now we will see the third parameter, that is reduced level of a staff station. Q means where we are keeping our staff. Okay, its equation is reduced level of height of instrument plus V minus H. Okay, just to see the drawing, then you can understand it easily. That is this is the reduced level of a height of instrument plus V minus H. Okay, now we are considering, if suppose the angle is of depression, this is our axis of the instrument and we are looking down and the angle is negative, that is depression. In that case also 3 things we have to find out, that is horizontal distance, vertical distance, and reduced level of a staff station, that is Q. Okay, so same formula, AS cos square theta plus B cos theta, and vertical distance is AS sin 2 theta by 2 plus B sin theta, and here is small change, we are looking down, so we have to minus V plus H. Okay, that is reduced level of height of instrument, this is reduced level of height of instrument, minus V and minus H. Okay, just study these 3 formulas. Now we are going directly to our examples. I will solve 3 examples here in this class. Okay, first question is what is our case? Fixed hair method, line of sight inclined and staff held vertical. Okay, the question is like this: To determine the distance between two stations A and B, a tachymeter was set up at a point P on the line AB, and the following observations were obtained on a staff held vertical position. Okay, this table was also given in the question. Instrument station is only one instrument station, that is P, and staff station is A and B. Vertical angle is 8 degree 24 minutes elevation minus 1 degree 06 minute, that is depression angle. Staff reading, I said there are three hairs, that is upper hair, middle hair and lower hair reading. And the remark what is given, reduced level of A is 50 meters. Okay, continue the question. Calculate the horizontal distance and AB and the reduced level of staff station, one staff station, that is B, when the constants are constant of the instruments are 100 and 0. What are the constants? Stadia constant, multiplying constant and additive constant. Okay, multiplying constant is A and additive constant is B. Okay, so we can go for the solution part. Write down the equations first. When line of sight is inclined and staff held vertical, write down the formulas. Horizontal distance is equal to AS cos square theta plus B cos theta. Vertical distance is AS sin 2 theta by 2 plus B sin theta. Okay. Now, before starting the solution, you have to make the corresponding drawing also, figure for that what the given data. Okay, what is given? Our instrument station, that is P. You have to make our instrument. I have highlighted the instrument. Okay, another staff station is A and the second staff station is B. Distance from this instrument station to the staff station is D1. Okay, distance 1, that is PA, and distance PB is D2, and this is the axis of the instrument. Okay, and what is given? Elevation angle is given 8 degree 24, and the corresponding upper hair reading, middle hair reading and the lower hair reading is given. What is S1? S1 means the vertical distance between the upper and the lower hair reading, that is staff intercept 1. H1 means always from the terrain to the middle hair, and V means what? From the axis of the instrument to the middle. Okay, V means what? From the axis of instrument to the middle hair reading. And what is H? H means from the terrain to the middle hair reading. Okay, always remember that. Here we have to draw the second case, that is the depression case. Okay, these depression values which marked here in this portion. Okay, so first we have to take P to A portion, we have to consider this portion, and second we have to consider this portion. Okay, for that one, S1 we have calculated. What is S1? From the upper hair reading minus the lower hair reading, and the theta 1 is given 8 degree 24 minute. Apply these values in this horizontal distance formula. We know it's given 100, S1 is 0.71, cos square 8 degree 24 minute. The answer is this much. Why this portion is 0? Because B is given as 0. Okay. Now vertical distance also, AS1 sin 2 theta by 2 plus B sin theta. Apply the values and find out it as 10.98 meter. Okay. And moving to the second observation, that is from P to B. Okay, this is left side portion we are considering. Same procedure, just noted the angle is given as depression, but no need to take the negative sign here. You can directly put the value here. Okay, AS2 cos square theta 2 and B cos theta 2. This portion 0, and the answer is 55.98 meter. Similarly, vertical distance V2 also find out. Now total horizontal distance, that means this d1 plus d2. Okay, you have to add this value and find out 130.36. What is the next thing asked in the question? We have to find out the reduced level of this point B. Okay, reduced level of this point B we have to find out. Okay, for that you have to write the equation, that is how to find out reduced level of this height of instrument minus V2 minus H2. Okay, then we will get this point reduced level. Okay, so apply this one up. Reduced level of instrument axis, how you will get? We know reduced level of A is given. Okay, A is given as 50 plus H1 minus V1, then we will get this one. Okay, after that minus V2 and H2. You just to go through the figure, then you will understand how you got this value. Okay, now the second pattern question is very similar to the first one. There is a slight change that whenever we are doing the example, I will tell you where the change is coming. Okay, the question is like that to determine the gradient. Okay, the first question was to find out the horizontal distance and the reduced level. Here what we have to find the gradient between 2 points P and Q. A tachometer was set at another station R. Okay, station point is R and the staff stations are P and Q. Okay, and the following observations were taken keeping the staff vertical. Condition is given staff vertical. Okay, this is our given table. Staff station at PQ, one elevation angle, depression angle, upper hair reading, middle hair reading, lower hair reading, everything given. Okay, in addition, what is given? If the horizontal angle PQR is 36 degree 20 minutes, determine the average gradient between P and Q. Take the additive constant, multiplying constant as 100 and additive constant as 0. Reduce level of height of instrument is given as 100 meters. Okay. So, same procedure, start with the equation. Condition is Stadia method, fixed hair, line of sight incline, staff held vertical, horizontal distance formula similar, same thing, write the formulas and make the figure ready. Okay, what is given in the question? R is our instrument station, 2 staff station, P and Q is there. This is our reduced level of axis of the instrument, that is given as 100. Okay, and 1 plus angle, elevation angle, and the corresponding upper, middle and lower hair readings are given. The distance between this one is S1. Mark V means from here to the middle, and H means from the terrain to the middle. Okay, similarly here also mark all the things. Okay, V2, H2 and S2. Distance between R and P is D1 and distance between R and Q is D2. We are taking the first portion, that is R to P. This portion we are considering first, this portion we are considering second. Okay, similar case I am not repeating it again. S1 is this much, angle is 4 degree 40, distance formula AS1 cos square theta 1 plus B cos theta 1. This portion is 0 and the answer is 59.60, and vertical distance is AS1 sin 2 theta 1 by 2 plus B sin theta 1, and the answer is 4.865. Okay, now we are considering the left hand side. Okay, similarly S2, from the upper hair minus the lower hair, depression angle, don't take the minus sign, directly apply and find out D2 and V2. Now what is in addition given in the question? This is our staff stations Q and P. This is our instrument station. The angle, horizontal angle between this is given. That is 36 degree 20 minutes. Write down D1 we have find out, D2 we find out. We have to find this distance. Okay. To determine the distance PQ, we can apply the cos formula, cosine formula. What is in that formula? PQ is equal to root of this square plus this side square minus this into cos of angle between two sides. Okay, so we got the distance of PQ as 37.978. Okay, now what we have to find out: reduced level of P, reduced level of Q, and difference of reduced level between P and Q. Okay, write down the equation. Reduced level of P means reduced level of the height of instrument plus V1 minus H1. Okay, and similarly reduced level of Q. Q is the depression angle, so we are minusing it. Okay, minus of a V2 plus H2, so open the bracket, it is coming reduced level of height of instrument minus V2 minus H2. We got the both the reduced level. What is difference in reduced level of P and Q? That means 103.355 minus 97 point this thing. Now we have to find out the average gradient between P and Q. Average gradient is equal to difference in elevation between P and Q divided by horizontal distance between P and Q. This one we know, okay, divided by our this distance, that is 37.98. So it is 1 in this much. Okay, the vertical by horizontal, yeah, horizontal by vertical distance. Okay, so we finish that question also. Now the third type of question is, suppose same case, that is fixed hair method, line of sight inclined and staff held vertical, but there is a slight change. We are shifting our instrument station to another station Q. Okay, so that means there are two instrument stations, and similarly same procedure we have to follow, and we have to find out the horizontal distances and the reduced levels corresponding to that one. The question is like that: the following observations were taken using a tachymeter and using analytic lens. Okay, analytic lens, when we are using that lens, the additive constant B becomes 0. Okay, so the staff held vertical position, the constants of tachymeter, that is multiplying constant, is given as 100. Okay, so instrument station P, first one, height of instrument is given, okay, 1.45, that is benchmark, and the angle is of a depression, and the upper hair reading, middle and lower hair reading given, and another station P, same height of instrument. Okay, then staff station is at Q, and the elevation angle, upper, middle, lower hair reading. Similarly, we are shifting to the instrument station Q, then the height of instrument is 1.57. From there we are looking to the staff station R, and the corresponding angle is of elevation, the corresponding upper, middle, lower hair reading given. Reduced level of benchmark is also given, that is 384.25 meter. Okay, determine the distances PQ and QR, and reduced level of P, Q and R. This is the question. Similar to the previous one, write down the solution bar, that is line of sight inclined, staff held vertical, horizontal distance formula, AS cos square theta plus B cos theta, and vertical distance is equal to AS sin 2 theta by 2 plus B sin theta. Make the drawing really. Here you should be more careful, because first we have to put our instrument at P, and we have to look benchmark, and we have to look to Q. Okay, so this is our height of instrument, that is angle of our axis of our instrument, and this is the first angle is elevation angle, that is 7 degrees 05 minute, and the corresponding upper, middle, lower hair readings, and the mark S2 and V2 means what? From the middle to the height of this thing, and H2 from from terrain to the height of middle hair. Okay, and the second one towards the benchmark, it is given minus 6 degree 12 minute, and the corresponding B1, H1 and S1 you mark. Okay, and distance from this point to this point is D1, and distance from P to Q is D2. And after that we are shifting this instrument. I highlighted this one. Okay, we are shifting it from P to Q, and from Q we are keeping our staff station at the R. Okay, so a similar procedure, the angle is given here, that is 12 degree to 21 minutes, and the corresponding upper, middle and lower hair reading given. We are the difference is S3 and V3 from here. This height of from here to it's another that is axis of instrument to the middle hair, and H3 means from terrain to the middle hair. Everything you can mark it. Okay, now we are taking the first portion. This is our first portion, second portion and third portion. The first observation, that is from P to benchmark. Okay, similar procedure we are repeating the third time. Okay, S1 is the difference between the upper hair reading and the lower hair reading. Theta 1 is the minus angle, and H1 means the middle hair reading. Okay, horizontal distance formula apply and find out. Vertical distance formula, okay, 100. S1 you know, everything you know. This value by analytic lens means B is 0, so it is 12.025 meters. Okay, now we are going to the second portion. Okay, similar to the S2, H2, theta 2, D2 and B2 we have to find out. And the third portion, that is we are shifting to Q and Q to R. Okay, the corresponding S3 value you have to find out, theta 3, H3, and the corresponding distances, horizontal distance and vertical distance, we can apply it in the formula and find out. Okay, now the last thing is the reduced level of height of instrument. Benchmark is given, that plus H1 plus V1. Okay, see, listen here. Benchmark is given plus H1 plus V1. So we are getting the reduced level of height of instrument. So we got it as 397.815. Reduced level of P means reduced level of height of instrument means height of instrument. Height of instrument is given. Okay, so at this point what will be this thing? Okay, the 1.45 we have to minus, and similar to Q also, height of instrument minus V2 minus H2. And the last thing, reduced level of R. R means reduced level of Q plus height of instrument is given in the question, minus V3 minus H3. These points just refer the figure. It's just by seeing it you can calculate the distances. Okay, what is the reduced levels. Okay, and so the final answer is 2 horizontal distance PQ, QR, and the 3 reduced level P, Q and R. We got all the values. Okay, dear students, in this lecture we have completed case 2, that is when we are using the Stadia method, fixed hair and line of sight inclined and staff held vertical position. Considered 2 cases, that is angle is of elevation and angle is of depression, and one more case is left out. I will solve the examples for that one also in the coming lectures, and meanwhile you have to go through all these examples, and if you have any doubt or queries, please contact me. Don't waste your time. Do daily do 1, 2 or 2 examples. Okay, and after completing the case 3 we will go to the geodetic survey, and after that theory of errors. Okay, thank you so much.